Hello kids, how are you? I hope all are fine by the grace of God. In this COVID-19, the next basic need for living thing is water. What is this, children? Water. Let us see the uses of water. We need water for, tell me children, we need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and cleaning. Living things cannot live without water. No children? Living things cannot live without water. Like human beings, animals and plants all need water to live. No children? Plants all need water to live. Human beings, animals and plants all need water, no? Animals also drink water. They need water to wash themselves, children. Forest animals take bath in lakes and streams. From where do we get pure water? Tell me, children. See, we drink water, no? From where do we get water? Do you know? Children, yes, we get water from rain. We get water from rain. Rain falls from the clouds, no? What happens if we do not pour water to a plant for a few days? Plants dry up and die if we do not pour water, no? Plants grow well when they get enough water. So we need water for so many purposes, no? Water is so important to everyone. Water is important to everyone. So water is very precious. So we should not waste water, children. Now we have to read this. We should not waste water. Water is very precious, no? Now, important points. See, what is the lesson number 8? Lesson number 8. Lesson name, we drink water. Okay, children, how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Tell me, children. Maybe 4, 5 or 6, no? Mostly. Open your page number 62, all of you. See, important points. Sources of water. Drink clean water. Saving water. Okay, children? Now, see here. Read, children, all of you. Repeat after me. All living things need water. Just now I said, no, children? All living things need water. We need water for many things. We need water for many things. See, children, we use water. See, how we will use? We need water for drinking. See, we need water for drinking. No, we need water for bathing. You will take bath not daily. With what? Water. No, you will drink also, children. No, mother. We need water for cooking also. For cooking also we need water. No, for cooking food also we need water. And we need water for washing. See, washing, children. We'll wash our clothes, no? With what? Soap and water, no? See, we need water for cleaning utensils. No? Cleaning. Then we need water for putting out fire. No, children? Read this. See, drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils and putting out fire. Now, a person can live for a month without food. Without food, a person can live 1 month, children. Maybe. But he cannot live for a week without water. No, children? We cannot live 1 week also, children, without water. No? So, animals and plants also need water. No, children, animals and plants also need water. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Plants need water for growing well. Read, children. Plants need water for growing well. Some animals and plants live in water. No, children? Some animals and plants live in water. Such animals cannot live on land. What are the children? Fish, no? Now open your page number 64. See children. Sources of water. We get water from rain. From where do we get water? We get water from rain. The rain water fills ponds, lakes, river and wells. The rain water fills ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. Some rainwater goes into the ground. People get this water using tube wells and hand pumps. Now, children, then drink clean water. We should drink always clean water, children. We should always drink clean water. If we drink dirt water, we will fall ill. No, we should not drink dirty water, children. We may fall ill. We can make water clean. How we should make water clean, children? Do you know? See, by boiling, children. By boiling it for 20 minutes. No, boiling kills the germs present in water. Germs means, you know, children? Germs, G-E-R-M-S, germs. Boils kills the germs present in water. We can also use water filters. See children, water filter. We use water filters. Make water clean. Okay children. See, what is this bucket? We'll fill the water in the bucket also, children. Clean water has no color. Children, you know that? You'll drink water, no? Any color is there? No. Clean water has no color, taste or smell. Smell also is not there. No, the tap water that comes in our house through pipes is safe to drink. Every alternate days water will come to our house, no children? That water is the safer drink. We should store water in clean containers like buckets, pots, tanks, bottles and jugs. No, clean. Then saving water. We should not waste water. Why we should not waste water? See why we should not waste water? Because it is very useful, children. It is very precious. We should not waste water. No, because it is very useful to us. So we should not waste. We should not make it dirt by throwing waste things in it. Okay. Now learn this poem. See, why does it rain? Why does it rain when Mr. Sun shines? Why does it rain when Mr. Sun shines? When Mr. Sun is hot, the water in the river gets bubble hot. It becomes water vapor and rises up high, turning into fluffy cloudy, which fill up the sky. Then the clouds get heavy and very much bigger. The burst out and the rain comes down patter Peter. You have to learn this poem, children, like this. Okay, children? Open your page number 65 and read this poem. Learn this poem. Okay, children? Thank you.